Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Level 45 and weapon skill at 3 of 5. This ensures crafting succeeds more often. Once done, collect 5 rune shards, 10 iron ore, and 250 gold because these materials are consumed immediately. Make your way to the quarry and unlock it. Talk to the blacksmith to trigger the quest. You must accept the Forged Echoes task to progress. Do that now so later steps become available without backtracking, which saves time and resources. Once you've accepted the quest, progress through the blacksmith's 3-stage chain. These stages unlock the anvil recipe you need. Make sure to smelt 10 iron ore into billets, because billets yield higher quality than raw ore. At the anvil, combine the billets with 5 rune shards to start the forging minigame. You must hit a sequence of 4 timed hammer strikes within 6 seconds each. If you pace your strikes, the weapon's stat roll improves, so focus and breathe between inputs. To finish, temper the newly forged axe using 3 cooling salts. Tempering locks final stats and prevents later degradation. Once tempered, verify the Rukiryaxe damage and special proc. If you're unhappy, use the reforge option, which costs 200 gold and 1 rune shard, because that is cheaper than restarting. Make sure to save at the blacksmith before final temper. This gives you a rollback point. If the minigame fails early, step back, adjust timing, and retry with spare materials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.